In San Pedro, two futures are being built right now, one of steel and one of soul. Is it the roar of giant cranes? Or is it something more personal, like a human voice? You've got this incredible tale of two builds. One is all hardware, the other is all heart. First up, let's talk hardware. The Port of LA is getting a massive, and I mean massive, transformation. Check this out, $67.4 million for a brand new cruise terminal to welcome huge ships. And they're not stopping there. $112 million for a bridge connecting Wilmington right to the water. This isn't some distant dream either. Construction is kicking off, and it's all happening fast. So the port is building this huge stage, but who's going to be on it? Okay, now for the software side. Let's head to 363 West 6th Street, a building with history. This place has seen it all. J.C. Penney, a call center, a dance studio, then silence. But in 2024, a therapist saw something else. Not a wreck, but a patient waiting to speak. And this isn't just a renovation. It's about family. It's a legacy built from brick and love. It's called the Dawn Allen Experience, named for her parents, Donna the lantern and Allen the spine. Her dad taught her failure is just a draft of success, so the studio honors his failed venture. And this is where it all connects. All that new hardware needs a voice, a soul. The ships are coming, the crowds are coming. West Harbor opens in 2026. Everything's about to change. So, with the whole world showing up, who's going to tell San Pedro's real story? Right here, Voxel Micro Video Labs. It's the engine room for local stories, a place for dreamers. So let's look at San Pedro's next chapter. How does this all fit together? The goal is simple. Make sure local stories don't get drowned out. They get amplified, loud, and clear. And for the founders, it's a message for their son. It's even their future wedding altar. The promise to San Pedro is this: your story is big enough to cross oceans. And it's happening soon. The doors swing open summer 2026. Get ready for it. The stage is built. The microphone is on. So the only question left is, what will you say?